Okay. Alright, so say hi to our calm.
Hey all, so we are about to watch Scarlett Takes a Tumble on YouTube as recommended by my cousin Akom, and then also we should record our reaction. So
this is gonna be our reaction.
This is gonna be our reaction to the video. Apparently it's gonna be
better
funny.
be funny.
It's gonna be funny, I hope. God, the table already was like
She was shattered.
What she doing? Like,
she showed some
legs.
legs. Go girl.
You can please me back.
We already know where this is going. Oh, you hear the table?
She's so tall, like she's like almost hitting like the ceiling.
She can't get up. She's falling. She can't get up. Oh shit.
That was good.
I would not. That was good.
That was good. That was good. That was a good one.
Oh my god, she can't get up.